Hello friends, I am Muskan here and today I'm just ready to come up in especially in Gorakhnath temple. You know very well Gorakhpur. Of course in Gorakhpur, Gorakhnath temple is a very famous temple. So okay, I have to just share. Here I have you wear a mask right now. So I'm quite curious to show you. Okay, each and everything in Gorakhnath. Okay, let's ready to come. Here you can buy anything, whatever you want. It's up to you. Okay, so here you can buy spectacles, vowel. It's all up to you. I can't buy these things exactly. Here everybody see me, I guess. Okay, I have to change my place. Here you can see that dresses, whatever the clothes you want to check, you can see here. I don't know why it's very complicated for me to decide single dress or shoes, sleepers and all. If I come with my sister or any my brother, then only I can choose anything. Here is nothing special, everything is common, I guess. I don't know why Actually, it's very complicated for me to understand the single thing. I don't know. Mostly, I come up here in Gorakhnath temple. I mostly come with my sister or my brother or someone with my mom. Especially, I come many times in this place. But whenever I have to buy for me exactly, so I quite confused. What should I buy? If I decide also here everything, I think I have. I don't think so. We need something any special. It's all are at home. I think it's all are very common everywhere at home available. So I don't think so. It's home coach. I don't know why. If I'm just go any shop, so I quite confused. What should I have to buy and where I have to start? I quite confused. Which place is really suitable? Okay. I have got this is a jewelries and all. It's especially earring, golden and all. It's not actual golden. It looks like a golden, but it's not exactly. But it is artificial. If you want, you can buy from there. But here also very costly. I guess this place. I didn't go, but I feel I don't try also. Okay, I think I have to leave this place because it's very costly, I guess. Not very much. Though who are very interested, they can go there. They can buy that. It's absolutely fine. It is normal range. It's not a very much high, but I feel that I have to be far from buy any kind of stuff. I can't choose. It's very complicated. Okay. I don't know I shoot well or not. It's my first blogging, so I quite confused how to shoot properly here in this. Okay, I'm just curing that anybody there. Okay, see this. I love the shoes. Okay, let it be. Do you know my sister especially? They all love to buy sleepers or shoes or something, but I didn't try it. My sister also with me, then only I can try something. Alone I can't. I don't know why. I'm quite confused. If anybody with me, then it's absolutely fine. I can choose one, okay, among them all. Okay, here is pulki. Do you know, I don't like to eat pulki in this place because I don't know why it's open everything. So it is completely, I don't like that place exactly for especially, I don't know. It's absolutely fine if you want you can go, but I'm not comfortable to just having that. Okay, so here every type of thing you can buy. It's all up to you. And I don't know how I should, where I to come. I can go, but I don't know. It's my first vlogging, so I don't do properly. I guess it takes time. I focus to just shooting properly, or I have to explaining something properly. This is my little problem. Do you know? In this place I would love to buy, especially in Gorakhnath whenever I come, so dolls and teddy bear, whatever I have interest, I would love to buy in Gorakhnath temple only. So it is one of my favorite temple here, especially whatever the toys I love most. In childhood I mostly come here only for buy everything. Okay, so here if you want to buy any kind of temple related whatever the thing, because I'm gonna enter in temple, so I will definitely, we need to have a something for especially for temples, so that's the reason if you want you can buy, but I'm here for vlogging, so I won't buy anything especially related to temple because I just here for shooting here. Okay, this place I would love to sit mostly, so I'm completely tired, so I'm gonna sit for a while. So I'm getting tired right now, so I'm just ready to come up. I don't know. Here nobody's with me, so I'm alone here. So let's see what is happening with a mask. And I will not touch anybody, but I want to show you each and every place where people they are doing, what they can doing, and simple thing in a Gorakhnath temple only. It's my first vlog, so I'm very curious to show you each and everything. And I don't know you like or not, but you can check it once. You can see this, how wonderful in Gorakhnath temple. You can visit over there. Okay, I'm gonna I don't wanna show my face here because everybody they started laugh at me. They felt what happened, what I'm doing alone. Ready for shooting, especially here, just showing everything here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here is the boys. See, पुरुष प्रवेश द्वार, ठीक है ना, इसमें सिर्फ पुरुष लोग जाते हैं, तो मैं एंटर नहीं कर सकती इसमें और यहाँ पे पुलिस लोग खड़े होते हैं ताकि देखने के लिए कि कोई गलत लोग ना जा सके. एंड हियर इज महिला प्रवेश द्वार, सो आई एम गोइंग टू adjust, like I'm gonna enter this place. Okay, so here she will check everything, I guess. Okay, she has slept. Okay, I felt that she will check my everything. Okay, let's see. She's really sleeping. Okay. Okay, let it be. So here everybody see there is a wonderful place where we can roam, we can travel, like walk. Most of the people they here, they mostly feel this moment here. I love to just walk a lot, here, like whenever you're free, you feel you want something peaceful kind of moment, you just come here and you can see there. I love to see this, especially here come most of the people for shooting pic, clicking pic especially, but I'm here only shoot pic. I know nobody care right now about me because I'm just shooting and I'm close my face also, so nobody care exactly. The whole care also they felt what happened, like they can't see my face, so I think it's comfortable for me to just here, especially in this place. So yeah, everybody here shooting pic, especially clicking pics, so I'm only do shooting, so there's a not differences. So see here, this is I like this place, I will show you later. Okay, so I'm gonna change. Okay, see this is a wonderful okay, main thing which I wanted to show you. Most of the people they click pics and shoot here. It is a wonderful place here. Of course, if you in a Gorakhnath temples, of course mostly you people they will just wanna see this place inside in Gorakhnath. I would love to see this especially here. So yeah, you can also do if you want. You can also enjoy this moment. I don't know, I'm just too hurried. That's the reason I'm not shoot properly here, I guess. Okay, I think I have to do that. Actually, nobody's with me, so it's have a problem to I'm just alone shooting here of each and everything. So it's quite problem for me to do in proper way. First time I'm shooting video. I don't know it will okay or not. I know it's not completely. I want to take out my sleeper right now. So here you can remove your sleeper or shoes, whatever you want. It's all up to you. If you don't want, this is a sleeper. So how do I have to take my sleeper also? So he will give me coin. Okay, when I remove my sleeper, so he will give me coin. I'm alone here, so nobody's here with me, so I have to do that. भैया मेरा भी ले लीजिए. Hey Ishwar, I'm quite tired right now.
और किसी का है?
भैया मेरा उतर गया, कितना टाइम लगता है?
ठीक है, ये रख लेना.
There is money. If you want, you can pay. If you don't want, so you can leave also. Like it's all up to us. If we want to pay money here, we can pay here. If we don't want, so we can leave also. It's all up to us. भैया ये लीजिए. Okay, my shows is that place, and I have got token. This is a 43 number. Okay, I have got a 43 number token. Okay, so now I'm ready to just come inside the temple. Okay, here you can see the police available. You know why here available? Because he just checking that, okay, no, a lot of people, they just kept take out their own shoes and slipper beside the temple. That is not good, and it's absolutely wrong also. Still they didn't follow, I guess. Okay, let it be. So here I'm gonna enter, especially inside the temple in Gorakhnath. It is a important temple, Gorakhnath. Okay, so I'm just a little confused that how do I enter, because here a lot of people, they are, it's not allowed here to shooting exactly. It's not sure that everybody, it's my first time, so I don't know exactly I can do or not, but I will do. I try to speak little slow. I want to speak a louder. Okay, and I know nobody can care about me because I'm just remove my face. Nobody can see me also. I will only check it, and as well as show it here and just show you each and everything. You can also enjoy it, and you can also see this, how beautiful this wonderful temple exactly. Okay, okay, so here you can see this and pray also. A lot of people, they come from very far for praying, especially this. Okay, so I have to go. I don't want. Okay, now I came out from that temple because they're inside not allowed to shooting videos. I didn't do. Hey Ishwar, see this? I just closed my mask because I don't want anybody can insult exactly. If anybody they laugh at me, so it's very disappointed for me here. Okay, so here you can see this boat, and a lot of people, they ready to just sit in a boat especially, but I don't much, to be honest. I don't like to sit alone here. If anybody, especially my mom available or my sister, then only I can sit with them. Otherwise alone I can't. I am not comfortable to sitting especially in this boat. Okay, I have sat once, but I'm not comfortable right now because here I'm alone and I don't want to sit alone. If my sister and brother also with me, then only I can come here, but here nobody is along with me, so I feel alone is not good to sit in a boat. So I'm very uncomfortable. I know I can sit alone, but somehow I feel it's not good. Something. Do you know what is this? Okay, I will let you know. This is a... Okay, so see this, here is the place. In this place where a lot of lighting, do you know lighting system are available in this place? Especially in night you can see this lighting. Here in this time you can't, because in afternoon, I also mostly love to come in a evening or night only because there is a lighting I can see. But this time is very wonderful weather. That's the reason I came here for shooting. And I know in a night mostly if I will ready to shoot in this time, especially night time. So yeah, lighting is quite well, but I don't know why that it's not a clear, you can't see properly that everything, each and every part of in Gorakhnath. That's the reason. Okay, see this duck. Yeah, you can see everything. I would love to sit here only most of the time whenever I come, so I definitely sit once in this place. Oh wow. You can see this duck available here. Hi. Wow, see how beautiful duck. You can see here, especially I would love to sit here only for watching, seeing this kind of stuff, especially all the bird, duck is going, and do you know there is a आटा, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आटे को लेके आते हैं और वहाँ पे डालते हैं, जब फेंकते हैं तो वो जो बत्तख नहीं होती है वो पास आने लगती हैं, तो कितना अच्छा फील होता है. Most of the time we do like that, especially I came with my own sister, so just I have done that kind of stuff. It was amazing. I would love to do that also. If you want, you can also try. See how अभी तो लाइट जल नहीं रहा है, लेकिन जब जलता है तो क्या लुक आता है. यहाँ पे जो लगा हुआ है ना, मशीन टाइप का कुछ लगा हुआ है. अभी तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है लाइट में. अगर रात में जैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे आप आना, तो आपको ज़रूर दिखेगा. ये जो लाइटिंग होती है, पूरा फव्वारा पूरा दिखता है, जैसे लगता है क्या है ये चीज़. यू कम्प्लीटली शॉक व्हाट आर हैपनिंग ओवर देयर. इट इज़ अमेजिंग. Okay, so now I'm ready to just go come back because I want to show a lot of thing, I guess. Not it's not complete a temple. I have a lot of places for showing, and especially in the Gorakhnath, where I have to go. Okay, let me think about that. Okay, wait for a while. I will show you a lot of thing exactly. Okay, wait for a while. I think there's a lot of place I have for showing, but I can't show because here not allowed very well. Like nobody, especially. Okay, I will not shoot. I will check once that there is allow or not. If anybody they told there's no allow, so it's okay. I'll let it be. If anybody is not say anything, then I will definitely show that place. Okay, wait. So here also you can go inside the temple. There are a lot of temple available, but I can't go because they're not allowed to shooting video. This is Sri Radha Krishna. How wonderful. Yes. Yeah, this is a temple. You can visit if you want. Lot of place is very amazing. In this place very rare people they go. Actually I also don't go mostly because whenever I alone, so I don't go because I would love to go visit from out, then I come go from there. But here I just felt if I shooting here videos, so I have to show you each and everything. This is some idol. I'm not showing you inside there because I don't know it is allowed or not. Okay, so another place I just wanna see this. What here written? आप कैमरे की नज़र में है. Okay. So what kind of work I'm doing? I'm not stealing anything. I'm not stealing exactly. So why? It's okay. Absolutely fine. I don't do bad kind of stuff. That here aware. I know it is for those person who really do bad kind of activities. Okay, so you can see this here. Very rare people I come. I also mostly very rare I visit inside there because I don't go through there very much. Only once or twice I went inside there. I didn't say that I didn't completely, but I went inside there. There's so many idols available, but it might true that there is no allowed shooting videos, I guess, inside that place. And okay, here has written already that जूता चप्पल बाहर निकाले and शोर ना करे, मंदिर के सामने photos ना click करे. See this, here has written inside here. Okay, I have read already. So photos click नहीं करनी है. So okay, here has mentioned photos नहीं click करनी है. तो मैं तो video कर रही हूँ. I think it's absolutely fine here. But I know photos and videos both are similar. We have to be aware. I'm quite confused that shall I go? No, let it be. I don't go there inside there. I have to go out. And I think it's sufficient for showing about this place. If you want, if those who really interested, they can go inside. I don't know where has gone my coin. If suppose my coin has lost, I can take or not. Okay, they all remember that which place I have kept my sleeper. Okay, I don't show you my sleeper because I'm not wearing very fancy and all. Very simple sleeper I have worn, so I don't want to show you also exactly. Okay, so now I'm ready to come back from my house, especially because actually I have a lot of place for showing, but do you know here not allowed to shooting videos, so that's the reason I couldn't reach inside that a lot of temples. So it's okay, you can definitely go whenever you want. Here see, lot of people, everybody, they are just shooting pic. They love to click pics more than shooting and all. Okay, so I'm walking right now. I'm getting tired completely because I don't know why I'm not shooting well. I guess I know very well you definitely feel that I'm quite hurry right now. Okay, see this. I forgot to show you. Here is a flower. How wonderful. If you'll just see this in yourself, you just come up here. See here, यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे झरना चलते हैं, मतलब बहुत सारे झरना रात में अगर आप लोग आएंगे तो क्या मज़ा आता है, मतलब रात में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों को देखने में। थोड़ा सा भी मतलब उसकी जो लाइटिंग होती है झरना की और हर एक जगह की, स्पेशली जो पानी की वो होती है, वो बहुत अच्छी होती है। ओके, आई एम नॉट गोना शो यू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग बिकॉज हियर यू कांट सी एनी काइंड ऑफ झरना, मतलब कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, अभी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है ना, अभी यहाँ पे कुछ भी झरना वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है। तो आई एम नॉट गोना शो यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, सो जस्ट ओनली आई वांट सी। यहाँ पे सब लोग फ़ोटो क्लिक कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे अधिकतर लोग फ़ोटो ही क्लिक करते हैं, अधिकतर लोगों की पसंद यही होता है। See this is a place where I love to see this, and mostly they are clicking pics from here, from his side, from this side only. So see here inside there are so many flowers, and you can see this, and in the front of where I just come back, I went through inside that temple, I come back from here, from that place. I think it's I take a time a lot to just shooting this place. I don't know why I feel that I have to go, but somehow okay I have to go again. So I think it's about to complete to showing each and everything. Actually, I have a lot of things for showing exactly. I have already told you that here not allowed to just shooting inside the temple. Lot of beautiful temple idols available. Different kind of idols available inside that room, so it is okay. Actually that place is also so many things available, but I don't know how to, if I will ready to show you each and everything, so it just takes time for me. So I think it's sufficient. I will have to go. I will ready to come back from that place where I just went. I wish you like that. यहाँ से आया जाता है, वहाँ से जाया जाता है, मैं कहाँ से जाऊँ, मुझे थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है। यहाँ से जा भी सकते हैं ना, गर्ल्स अलाउ फॉर गोइंग एंड कमिंग बोथ, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली, आई नो वी कैन गो ऑल्सो, बट आई क्वाइट कंफ्यूज दैट शैल आई गो और नॉट, शैल आई गो और नॉट। Okay, I can go. Oh, I forgot. Of course, we can go also. How confused I was. Okay. So everyone they will just they will come here. Then after I will ready to there inside. Okay, it takes time. They are not checking exactly. Nobody here checking. Now I have to buy. Actually, right now I have remembered that my sister has told me that if you come here in Gorakhnath, so you have to buy some cup. So let's see. I will check it. There's various cup available. I don't know why. I really rarely buy anything in a shop exactly. My sister mostly they go out for buy anything, but here I came, so I feel I have to select one if I have got time, so I can do that. Okay, so here I have to select one. Yeah, so finally I have decided this orange cup. I think it's okay. I don't know why. मिच पोस भी लेना था, तो इसलिए मैंने सेलेक्ट कर लिया है मिच पोस। अभी तो मैं चेक कर रही हूँ। हाँ, ये जो ग्रीन वाली है इसे मैंने सेलेक्ट किया, और फाइनली मीन्स आई हैव डन एंड दिस मच, ये मैंने सेलेक्ट किया, मीन्स 2 मिच पोस आई हैव डिसाइडेड. Actually, what happened that I didn't shoot exactly when I was ready to decide it, but yeah, right now I have decided only 2 match posts. This is might be fine. ये है 250 रुपीज़ की, और मतलब 300 ने बोला था लेकिन 250 लगाए, और यहाँ पे मैंने अपने पॉलिथीन में रख लिया है कप मेज पोस्ट. ओके, ये ट्रे मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद आया. This tray is also nice. Okay, let's see. 100 कितने कह रहे हैं? 150. Okay, so finally I have decided. Finally I have selected everything, and now I'm gonna pay my money. All together I have convert in 500. I have to pay 500 rupees because actually he wanted to take a 530 rupees, but he has only discount my 30 rupees, so I'm gonna check it. This 500 I have to pay first. I don't know. Okay, so I have bought a cup. Okay, one set cup and tray, or Mitch Post, only two things. I didn't buy anything for me exactly because yeah, my sister has told me that you should buy this much, so I just decided, okay, I have to come here, so I will definitely select once, and I have bought it, and I don't need anything especially for me. What should I buy? I quite confused always. So whenever I come with my sister or anybody, then I only can decide for me what I have to buy. So I don't need anything. I most of the time I would love to eat here. मुझे फुल्की बहुत पसंद है यहाँ का खाना, लेकिन मैं इस बार नहीं खाऊंगी क्योंकि कोरोना वगैरह में मम्मा ने मना किया है, बाहर से नहीं खाना चाहिए। और हाँ, मैंने भी डिसाइड किया है कि मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खाऊंगी, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ है और ये सिचुएशन भी नहीं अच्छी चल रही है, तो अब बस मैं जा रही हूँ बाहर। आई थिंक आई हैव टू गो। I wish you enjoy with me here. Now finally I have reached on auto. I wish you like this video, and I can't show my face right now. And okay, bye bye. Okay, bye. Jai Shri Ram.